Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So we have a special mechanical keyboard from the MCHOSE. It's called the youngest choice. Let's open it and see what's the inside the box to surprise us. I'm so excited, guys. Ooh, it's the UT98 98% layout MCHOSE mechanical keyboard. Let's unbox it. Wow. Wow. So let's see what we have in the box today. We have some extra caps. We have a USB type A to type C to connect the keyboard directly to wire, and some tools here to be able to take out the caps and bring it back again. Okay. So and keychain also as well. That's good. I like it. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is a manual for the keyboard. I don't need it. Wow. Look at the keyboard. I'm bringing the other microphone to you guys can able to hear the sounds. I like it, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is a section you can able to the guys directly connected from the USB dongle, and is the cap for this section is the aluminum quality and USB type C in, and off Bluetooth and 2.4 gigahertz is for the dongle. So good. Oh my god, look at the light. I like it. Let's take a look at the keychain. It comes with the box. So cool. I like it. And this is the tools I can able to bring it outside. Same like it here. And so good. I like it. And this is the other places you can able to bring it inside the keyboard also as well. And bring it back. Thank you so much for the MCHOSE to send me this keyboard from the Unbox Therapy YouTube channel also as well. Thank you so much for both, and I like it. Thank you. Okay, see you on the next video, guys. Please do not leave alone, and we are here to make some changes and improve it, and please subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much. Bye.
That was easy.